Are you looking for the best laptop cleaning tools? In this video, we will look at some of the 6 best laptop cleaning tools on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. OXO Good Grip Sweep and Swipe. When you think of screen cleaning, you probably don't think of yet another device. But don't judge the OXO Sweep and Swipe too quickly. This handy cleaning buddy can help you achieve a deeper clean than just a regular microfiber. When the time comes to remove debris like crumbs from a keyboard, a spray solution won't help you get the job done. That's where the brush side of the sweep and swipe comes in. The long, soft bristles are able to reach places that are usually inaccessible. By combining the brush with the microfiber pad, this all-in-one tools ensure that you will always have what you need to keep your devices as fresh as possible. Number 2. WHOOSH Screen Cleaner Spray and Wipe Kit. WHOOSH is a powerful, non-toxic screen cleaner that'll keep the display of every gadget you own spotless. The odorless liquid is safe for all screens, while 3 antimicrobial microfiber cloths help ensure that you make the most of every spray. When we tested WHOOSH, we loved the fact that it wiped away fingerprints and smudges with ease, leaving our devices crystal clear without streaks or residue. We also love the fact that it's plant-based and non-toxic. You can use it as frequently as you'd like, thanks to the fact that it's free of harmful chemicals that are all too common in lower-quality cleaners, like ammonia, dyes, and needless fragrances. WHOOSH is available in a trio of bottle sizes if you want to size up. WHOOSH is also an ideal gift option for anyone who appreciates the backing of a big brand like Apple, because it's the screen cleaner of choice for all Apple retail stores. Does that automatically make them the best screen cleaners ever? We think so. Number 3. EVEO Screen Cleaner Spray. A solid value for the price. This screen cleaning kit consists of a 16-ounce bottle of solution and a large microfiber cloth. It's even backed by a money-back guarantee. The included microfiber is high quality and large enough to be used on laptops and larger scenes efficiently, but not so large that you can't toss it in your bag on the go. According to the manufacturer, it's compatible with LCD, LED, CRT, and OLED screens. The cleaning solution has been tested on all major tech brands, too. Number 4. Screen Mom Screen Cleaner Kit. For those searching for an organic and safe screen cleaner, we recommend this solution from Screen Mom. The product is alcohol-, chemical-, and phosphate-free. Plus, it's hypoallergenic and completely odorless, making it a good choice for those with sensitive skin and noses. With your purchase, you'll get a 16-ounce Screen Mom bottle and a microfiber towel. You can expect more than 1,500 sprays before needing to purchase another bottle, making this well worth the purchase. On the other hand, if you want to size down for something smaller that you can bring on the go, you can get an airplane and pocket-friendly 2-ounce bottle with the same cleaning solution. It's also a great gift for anyone with young kids because, let's face it, device usage is becoming increasingly common, and toddlers aren't getting any cleaner. In fact, recent research published in the American Medical Association's Pediatric Journal found that children aged 0 to 2 spent twice as much time in front of a screen in 2014 as they did in 2009. Thankfully, the Screen Mom Screen Cleaner Kit has everything needed to get rid of food smears and smudges without relying on harsh chemicals. Number 5. iKlear Cleaning Kit. The highly rated iKlear Cleaning Kit is one of the best in this field, especially among owners of Apple devices. It contains a 2-ounce bottle of alcohol-free cleaning spray, 3 microfiber cloths, and 6 pre-moistened, individually packaged wipes. Although high performance isn't something you'd normally associate with cleaning cloths, the dual texture makes the included cloth more versatile and capable than the competition. The fuzzier side of the cloth is great for removing small dust particles and debris that can scratch your phone, while the smooth side is ideal for wiping the screen with the included solution or for removing streaks and smudges. The fuzzy side is especially helpful when you want to quickly wipe your screen without using the spray and when glare from the sun makes dust particles look like sprinkles on your display. The iKlear DMT dual-sided cloth can cost more than $10 on its own, which sweetens the pot for this combo kit even more. Number 6. MagicFiber 2-pack Microfiber Cleaning Cloths. A quality microfiber cloth can come in handy when cleaning electronics. This MagicFiber offering has 2 of them, so you can leave one at home and take the other to your office. These cloths are our favorite because they are gentle on your display, but work well at removing dust, oil, smudges, and fingerprints. They're also durable and made with a tight weave, so they can be twisted and scrunched without having to worry about breakage. Another underrated aspect of the standard microfiber cloth is that you can safely use it on nearly any type of screen, lens, or shiny surface, for that matter, and the same is not true for cleaning solutions themselves. It may seem lowly at first, but you can remove smudges and streaks on everything from your car GPS and cell phone to glasses and camera lenses.